Hello guys, welcome back again. In this tutorial we are going to learn how to motion trigger in Adobe After Effects. Let's start the video. Create a new composition, rename it render, and click OK. Now import a footage into composition. Okay. For footage is more larger than composition. Press on Ctrl, Alt and F to fit footage with composition. Okay, now go to fit, and then before we take camera, we need to create line and text in compose. So now start to create a new shape. For example, something here. Okay. Yes. It's maybe good like that. For fill, I set it none. Okay, and stroke set it 6. Now create a new shape layer. Before we create another shape, please do not select on this layer. Okay, create ellipse tool to create circle shape. Now I create something like that. Yeah. For fill, I set this color. Yeah. And for stroke, I set it none. Okay. Yeah. And then go to layer, go to transform, and center anchor point. Yeah. It's good. Now select on circle layer and go to edit and duplicate or Ctrl D to duplicate. Yeah. For stroke, I set it 1, and fill color, I set it none. Now press S to scale. Yeah, it's good. And then rename them. For shape 1, I set it circle 1. Yeah, for here, rename it circle 2. Okay, collapse them. And then now go to add text. Okay, for shape is more long. I don't want much longer. And then now create another shape. For here, I create rectangle tool. Yes, maybe something like that. And then for stroke, I set it 6. And then create another text. For I copy text here and go to text and create the text. Yep. Or something like that. Yes, drag it in here. Okay, that's good. Yes, adjust whatever you want. Okay, that's good. Now for shape here, I rename it rounded 1, and then I select on rounded 1 and go to edit and duplicate it. For fill, set it Y. Okay, and stroke, set it none. Yeah, move here. Okay, select 3 layer and recompose. Rename it text 1. Okay, that's good. Now go to project panel and select on text 1 and duplicate it to be text 2. Add it into composition, and then select on text 2 to change add a text. Yeah. Yeah, you can change size of rectangle. For example, I set it around 4. Yes, it. And then move text 1 to under. Okay, move text 2 here. Yeah, it's good. Now I create another shape. For example, like that. Okay, set it 6, and the color, set it the same color. Yeah, set it none. Okay, now start to animate them. So we start to animate circle 2. I disable to take. Okay, run here. Yep, and press S to scale. Set a keyframe. Now set it 0. Okay, good. And then go to something like that. Press S to scale. And go here. Set it 0. Okay, now select all keyframe and press S9 to graph editor and adjust graph editor. Okay. Okay, that's good. After that, we collapse them and then animate line 1. Okay, I rename it line 1. That's good. Now for line, collapse here and add and trim path. Yeah. Okay, and then set keyframe on trim path 100 to 0. Set it keyframe and something here and set it 100 and press F9 and set graph editor. Okay, now quick preview. I set it half preview. Okay, now quick preview. Okay, good. Yeah, that's good for me. Now select on text layer and then start to animate. Okay, go to rectangle and draw a shape here. Okay, and then go to mask path and set mask path and then go around here. Yep. And double click on path. Do that. Yeah, it's great. And then set keyframe on mask picture to 30. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Again. Yeah, that's good. So go to line shape here. Okay, this is the line shape and then rename it line 2. Yes, to make it more easy to, and then collapse it add trim path, set animation on trim path. Yeah, set it end. Now 100. Okay, good. Okay, that's good. Select on text tool and then create rectangle. Yeah, mask on. Okay, that's good. Yeah, mask here. Select on mask path and then go around something like that and expand mask path. Yeah, it's good. Okay, now set feature, create a keyframe and go here around 30. Yeah, click preview again. Okay, that's good for me. Now select on this layer and recompose. I rename it shape and text. Click OK. Yeah. And then we enable footage and start to track camera on footage. Now select on footage video and go to tracker and then choose track motion. Yeah, something like that. And then move tracker point around here. Yeah, it's good. Yes, make sure your timeline must be at the beginning. Okay, that's good. Now start to analyze forward. We need to wait until it finishes. Okay, it's done. Now go to create a new null. Yes, choose a new null. And then go to edit target. Select on null and click OK. And then apply and choose X and Y and click OK. Okay, start preview. Okay, that's good. Now we start to adjust. Yes, recompose here. If you want to scale bigger, we can scale. Yes, it's something that, and move here to the point. Okay, I love that. Yeah, and then parent to the null. Okay, quick preview. Okay, it's worked very well. Now go to here and press N. Trim compose. Good. Now disable null layer and select all layer. Recompose to final. Click OK. Now I want to zoom more closer, so I collapse here and then I zoom it. Yeah, something like that. I set it half view, and for position I set here. Yeah, something like that, and I create new keyframe around that. Yeah, for position, I set scale to more further. Yeah. Okay. Okay, quick preview. Okay, it is worked very well for me. It's finished. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.